Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Uverse streaming app on your smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to access AT&T content. Step 1. Navigate to your smart TV's app store based on your television brand. Step 2. Search for the Uverse app or AT&T TV app in the store. Step 3. Download and install the Uverse app on your smart TV. Step 4. Open the app after installation and you will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Step 5. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the AT&T Uverse activation website at uversecentral.et.com or the URL shown on your TV. Step 6. Sign in with your AT&T Uverse account credentials, including your user ID and password. Step 7. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the appropriate field on the website. Step 8. Click Submit or Activate to link your smart TV to your Uverse account. Return to your TV and the app will refresh, granting access to live channels, on-demand programming, and DVR recordings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.